Chris, and this is my bike, the 2010 Verde Eon. Even says Eon right here. Yeah. Got the Animal Edwin grips and bar ends gone about 2 days ago, I think. Along with the Animal Jump Off Remix stem. Super light, super sick. Got the Odyssey linear slick cable. This is a stock brake lever and stock bars. Really good. Actually lasting me a long time. Right here, for now I'm just running my stock forks for now with the Odyssey P-Light tire and nitrous single shot in the front with stock Verde pegs. Really busted up, but still lasting me a long time. At the stock Verde cranks, which actually I've beaten the fuck out of, but well, when again redone with Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I don't even think they make this color anymore, so that's awesome. That's just awesome. Got the Verde stock chain, Verde stock 32 sprocket. Actually, like, you would think it's big, but it isn't. Actually got the We the People clamp right here. Took it from my friend. Looks really sick on my bike with the stock post and seat. Well, that's this tire for now. Like, it's crappy holding me up with stock back grip, believe it or not. But fucking this hell. A lot of dents. And I think that's about it. I'm not too sure on anything else. That's my bike. Fucking beast as hell. Fucking light as hell. Like 30.6 pounds, I think. Light as fucking hell. And that's my bike check. So